Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 5J question number 2. Exercise 5J. In question number 2 is given 0 divided by 8 plus 6 into 9. You have to find out the value. In a BODMAS rule, you know that BODMAS. In a BODMAS rule, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. If this combination is given, suppose 3 combinations is given here among them, then which one is come first? Suppose bracket is given, division is given, and multiplication is given. So which one will come first? So you have to do first the bracket work. Clear? Then you have to do the division work. Then you have to do the multiplication work. So here is bracket is given. So firstly you have to do the work of this bracket. So 0 divided by 8, it will be always 0. If you divide 0 by anything, this will be always 0 happen. So here is addition sign is given. So this will be addition happen. Now 6 9 ja 54. So if we add 0 plus 54, it will be 54 with the answer. Clear? Now go to question number C. In question number C is given 65 divided by 5 plus 31 into 0. So if you divide 65 by 5, what you will get? You will get, if you divide 65 with 5, you will get, I am doing the rough work here, 5, there is a 65, and 5 1s are 5, and there is a 15 is left, so 3 5s are 15. Clear? So 15 into 5 into 13, it will be 65 happen. Clear? So this will be 13 happen, because 13 5s are 65 into, if you multiply 13 into 0, it will be always 0 happen, because if you multiply anything with 0, it will be always 0 happen. So the answer will be 13 happen. Now go to question number D. So question number D is given here 143 divided by 1 plus 2 into 7. So firstly given here 143 divided by 1. If you divide anything by 1, the same number will happen. Here 143 will happen. Now this will be 2 7s are 14. Now if you add 14 and 143, it will be how much happen? So 3 plus 4, it will be 7 happen. 4 plus 1, it will be 5 happen, and 1 plus 0, it will be 1. So this will be 157 happen. Clear? Now go to question number E. Question number E is given here 3 into 5 minus 72 divided by 9. So 3 into 5, it will be 15 happen, minus 72 by 9. So which number multiply with 9 we will get 72? Remember 9 table. 5 9 ja 45, 6 9 ja 54. This way, this will be 8 happen. So 15 minus 8, it will be how much happen? 7 happen. So 7 be the answer. Now go to question number F. So question number F is given 280 divided by 7 minus 4 into 7. So here is given 280 by 7. So do the division in the rough. 7 and 280. You know that 4 7 ja 28. So here is 0 is left. So 7 0 ja 0. So this will be 40 happen. So 40 minus 4 7 ja 28. Now if you subtract 40 minus 28, what we will get? 40 minus 28, it will be 2 happen, and 3 minus 2, it will be 1 happen. So this will be 12 happen. Clear? So 12 be the answer. And left of these problems in exercise 5J is your homework. Thank you.